about shipwrecks and tales of yesterday. Out of the sea she rises when the storm blows at its worst, when ships are breaking in the waves and all the world is cursed. Then they cry for freedom, they cry for life, cry for their homes and for their wives. They cry for lovers when all seems lost, cry for that mermaid Jemsey Salt. These tales have entered sailors' hearts, and wasted they all be, for all their breathing thoughts are of that maiden of the sea. Her mystery entwines itself and binds its fantasy around the rescued soul she owns for all eternity. When they cried for freedom, they cried for life, they cried for home and for their wives. They cried for lovers when all seemed lost, cried for that mermaid Jemsey Salt. This is the tale of Jemsey Salt, the mermaid of Cardigan Bay. All her rescued men stand vigil at the windswept quay, watching dawn's horizons and midnight's blackened gems, wishing Jemsey Salt would come back and rescue them. They cry for freedom, they cry for life, they cry for home and for their wives. They cry for lovers when all seems lost, cry for that mermaid Jemsey Salt, cry for that mermaid Jemsey Salt, cry for that mermaid Jemsey Salt.